Second part, you always measure how much they threw up and quantify and try to figure out, do you need a mass transfusion protocol or just get empty out all the blood that you need from your hospital for this patient? So think about it. Maybe 2.24 liters vomited out, and if each unit of blood, of PRBCs, is a 220 to 240, maybe 10 units of blood came out of him when I only gave 2 before I sent him out and transported him. He looked great. He could stand up for the paramedics for the transfer and get into the stretcher, but he was slightly tachycardic in the 120s. That's what happens when you're young. Put it this way, when he got over there, do not fall in love with the idea of the crit being the marker of sickness. The lactate was high, like I think 7 or 8 when he got there, and it likely is from all the fluid he lost, the perfusion, the lack of exchange of nutrients at the cellular level from all the blood he lost. I had given 2 units of blood, only 1 liter of fluid while we got the blood ready, which I felt bad. He coded eventually because they thought his hemoglobin was only 10 when they got there, and he codes. And before he codes, they thought, oh, metabolic acidosis from diabetes from metformin. And I'm like, no. And he codes and doesn't wake up when he gets there.